So on the other hand, I will going to show you the chrome purple color for you guys to compare the difference. And this one we can find is gold silver and we call it chrome color, and this one is replacement. We can find there comes the screws on the back side just to replacement the original one. And we can find the new Range Rover 2023 have many chrome color elements style for the new car interior, so we get the idea and to use this for the Defender to make it look more luxury. Not only the carbon fiber, also have the purple chrome choice for customers. So as the video I show you guys before, we have the steering wheel, and this is the steering wheel cover which we replacement the original gray part to make it look much great like the full black. Some customers also wanting to see how the chrome parts after installation on our cars. So I take the steering wheel for you guys to reference. So first of all, we can find this one for replacement. We can find the way to hold it on the steering wheel like this. And after that, we can find it looks not such bad as you imagine. It looks also great with our carbon fiber elements. So in today's video, we are going to show you more details of the installation. So keep the channel and follow my videos.